and I welcome you all to my channel MTN GH. If today happens to be your first time, I want you to take a moment to like, share and subscribe, and most importantly, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you become the first to watch any of my videos. Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create partition, okay, on your local hard disk. Most of us know about, or we are familiar with creating partition during Windows installation, okay. So maybe after Windows installation you want to create new volume on your hard disk, okay, maybe 2 or 3 aside your main local storage, okay. Now I'm going to take you through the process or the steps in creating this partition on your local hard disk. Please follow me carefully as we start from the beginning to the end, okay. So the first place I'm going to show you okay, so at the moment I have approximately 80 gigabytes of storage. That is 76.5 gig, okay. So let me minimize this, and right now I will have to go to my search, okay, and I will type you could type disk management, okay, or better still create and format hard disk partitions, okay. So here is it. You just right click, or okay, just click on it and it will open a window for you, okay. So this is the window that is opening for us, and we will just have to do just simple calculations so as to create our new volume. Now you could see over here I haven't divided my hard disk, or I haven't partitioned my hard disk. It is still 76.5 gig. I want to create a new volume out of this. Let me see, 20 gig, okay. Now when I go here, as you can see, I have 464.69 gigabytes of storage. My hard disk is actually 500 gig, but it's not up to 500. So I want to create a new volume out of it. I will just have to right click on it and go to strength volume, okay. Now a wizard will open for me to be able to assist me create the volume. You just have to be patient and just wait till, okay. So now the window, another window has been opened, and we have to make our calculations over here. So as you can see, everything here, all the calculations are done in megabytes. So 475,839, okay, megabytes. That's the total I had before or earlier. Now I told you from the beginning I had 776.5 gig, okay. That's the free space I have as of now. Now I want to create 20 gig out of the 76.5 gig. So you have to change the 20 gig to megabytes. So you just go to your search and let's utilize our calculator, and in our calculator, okay, you just type 20 gig, okay. multiplied by, you're converting into megabyte. Okay, so you multiply your 20 gig by 1024. If you want to create maybe 50, just 50 gig, just multiply 50 by 1024. Okay, now I get 20,040. So you just come here, and now this is the maximum I could create out of the 76.5 gig. So I just enter 20 for okay. Now I press on shrink. You just have to be patient and wait. So as you can see, a new volume has been created. Okay, but it's unallocated. So if I go to my Explorer, it still remains 76.5 gig. Now if I want to create it, just go to new simple volume and next. Okay, then go to next. Then if you want to assign, change the letter of the drive, just change it here and go to next. Then you just choose next again and finish. So as you can see, we have created a new volume. So when it comes here, I've got a new volume drive. Okay, so this is the simple step in creating a new volume in your computer. You could as well delete it, and it's easy. Just right click and you go to delete volume, and I've deleted that volume, and you just right click this and go to extend volume, then next, then next, finish. And now I've got my previous or my earlier storage back. Thank you guys. If this video is really helpful, I want you to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you once again. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.